This video will show some quick translation resources. How to display translated captions on YouTube. When playing a YouTube video, you can click on the button that says CC to turn on captions. Then check on the gear icon, select Subtitles, and then Auto Translate. Then you can select the language of your choice. In this example, I've selected Portuguese. The captions will now display in the language of your choice. Translating websites with Google Translate. Today I'd like to show you how to use Google Translate to translate any website. You can copy and paste the website address and then visit translate.google.com. You'll paste the website URL on the left and select the language you'd like to translate to on the right. Here I've selected Portuguese. Click the arrow to launch a new web page. And it will provide a translated version of the same page in the language of your choice.